Is your RedNote China blocked because your reason is not supported? In this video, I will show you easy ways to bypass that block so you can register from anywhere. First, check regional availability. RedNote is not available in every country by default. If you see a message like reason not supported, it's because app blocks signups outside its approved locations. On Android, try downloading RedNote from the Chinese Reason Play Store or an alternate app store. For iPhone users, you can switch the reason. So, launch App Store, click on the profile icon given at the top right, click on your Apple ID, navigate to the option country or region. Now, from this list of countries, select China. With this setting, you might be able to sign into the RedNote. Next thing you want to do is use a reliable VPN set to a supported country before you open the app or attempt sign up. So, you can launch Play Store or App Store, type in VPN, download any of the VPN, then connect to the server where RedNote is available. Next thing you want to do is use an international phone number. Select your country's international dialing code during sign-up. RedNote allows non-Chinese numbers. Ensure your number can receive international SMS. Next up, clear cache or reinstall RedNote app. Press and hold on the RedNote app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app RedNote and then download it. With this solution, you might be able to sign into your account. If you're still stuck with a reason not supported error even after trying these fixes, file an appeal. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website RedNote support. Once you're in this page, scrolling down, you're gonna find this section, Get in Touch. Now you can fill out this and send it. Type in your name, email address, subject, likewise your issue and send it. So these are some fixes for RedNote China blocked. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.